It's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you adore.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. In this video, we have a huge Young Nails haul, okay? I grabbed all of these goodies when they had their Memorial Day sale. So I'm going to show you everything that I got. I'm going to open up the boxes. I'm going to swatch the acrylics. You are going to see everything, okay? So I got that big kit that had so much stuff in it. I'm going to show you everything that came in there. And I got the swipe, the famous swipe that everybody talks about. I finally got some. And I got this top coat, I believe, and this is the slick pour system. These are the foils. I do have a video coming of me using these, and I'm going to use all of this stuff and make a video and show you guys, but some of this I have already used, so I already have the video coming. I use this kit. This is their acrylic kit, and this is the gel kit. And these little kits are so cute. I wish I would have gotten 2 of each one. They were like buy one get one or something. The sale was crazy, y'all. I got these big old jars of acrylic, and I got this set. It was like 4 glittery jelly acrylics. So I'm going to show you guys what these look like. And here's the name of them. You can definitely pause the video or screenshot. So this is the Pro acrylic kit, and it's so much stuff in here. Literally everything you need to do a full set of nails. More swipe. We got monomer, we got acrylic. And the jar sizes are pretty nice. We had files, buffers, tips, everything, y'all. We got the clear and the natural tips. They are curved. So this kit came with 2 of their nail liquids, which is basically the monomer, some forms, and it had this other little box in here. With the brush, a dropper, dapping dish, primer, all of that kind of stuff they put in that little box. So this kit came with some of the slick pour as well. In this video, I did not swatch these slick pour colors. When I actually use the slick pour kit, that's when I'll probably show you guys all of those. But I have the slick pours that came in the big kit and the slick pours that came in the separate slick pour kit. So I'll show you all of that when I film that video. So now I'm about to swatch the acrylics with the brush that came in the kit, and I wish this brush was pinched. They do have pinched brushes on their site, but the one that came in this kit was not. I'm going to use the monomer that came in the little kit because it was smaller, and I just wanted to use that one up first. And I got some of the white, clear, and 2 cover colors right here. And I ended up going back and writing on the swatch sticks. But I got the hang of the brush. It was a little different because it's not pinched. With the pinched brush, you kind of definitely have, you know, a front and a back side, and with this brush, you just kind of have to figure out which side is going to be your front and which one is going to be your back, and the more that you use it, it kind of molds into that. So this is after the acrylic has set, and that white is like really white. I think that was the clear, and these were the 2 cover colors. It was a cover pink and cover blush. The cover blush has some pretty glitters and stuff in it, so I definitely had to get that one. And for all of the cover colors, they kind of had that same kind of, you know, pink tint to it, but they were a little different. Now these were some of my favorites. This was a set of 4. I believe it was like the jelly glitter. It had like a name to the kit, but it came with this blue, yellow, orange, and pink glittery jelly colors. And when I tell y'all, these are so pretty, I cannot wait to do a set with these. And they are pretty transparent, but if you want to kind of build it up, you can. But these scream summer, springtime, all of that, so I cannot wait to use these. And I went ahead and used up that little container. So after using the brush, I really like the brush. The monomer, after you get the hang of the liquid to powder ratio, I feel like the brush and the monomer work pretty well along with the acrylics. I have tried these acrylics with my Mia's Secret monomer and they work well with that as well. So far, you know, for my very first time purchasing and trying the Young Nails products, I was fairly pleased. I have heard so many great things about them, and when they had that sale, it was like the perfect opportunity to just get a little bit of everything. So this is the Slick Pour kit, and that big kit came with 2 Slick Pour colors. I believe their Slick Pour powder, you can use it with the dip method or with the traditional, you know, monomer method. It came with these little cups and everything. Their Slick Pour system is basically the dip system, but they, you know, encourage to pour over instead of dipping, so that's why it's called Slick Pour. And of course, dip powder is, you know, finer grained acrylic, so that's why it's, you know, the whole slick in the pour and all that, in case you were wondering what that was. Of course, in these little cases, they have the liquids and some dapping dishes. So I have been a fan of Young Nails for a long time. They have really great education videos for nail techs. So if you have not tried them, let me know why not. And if you have tried them, let me know what your favorite products are from their line. So this is the acrylic kit. I have used this. Some of these little acrylics I got the big version of, so you have seen most of those in the swatches. And this is the gel kit. I haven't used this one yet, so I can't wait to try this one. But in these little kits, you get everything you need. I am just so happy with this purchase. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Always remember to keep God first, family second, and career third. And it's a wrap. I'll see you guys in the next video.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion at most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose wrong what you adore. It's a one-stop shop, it's a wrap, yeah, we do that. Go subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like, and just sit back.